Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titinan natin ang energies ng full moon in Sagittarius sa inyo ngayong May 23, 2024 at 1:52 p.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So para sa inyo, Pisces, mas maganda na panoorin nyo to sa perspective ng inyong rising sign kasi mas accurate yan. So the full moon in Sagittarius is happening in your 10th house of your career, your responsibilities, your reputation. So, maaring meron kang mga belief system sa iyong career na sa tingin mo hindi na nakakatulong para sa pagpapaunlad ng iyong trabaho. So, example, dati ang belief system mo is laging makisama sa trabaho. Siyempre, may limitasyon yung pakikisama na yan kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng oras dapat nakikisama ka dahil maaaring may mga bagay na hindi na nakakabuti para sa'yo. Tipong illegal na yung ginagawa. May kisama ka pa rin ba? Alam mo yun? So, example lang naman yan. Okay? But, I feel like you are also reassessing your situation. Kung dito ba sa trabaho na meron ka, you still think na you are free, you are learning more. Kasi kung you feel stuck sa trabaho, sa career mo, maaring mag-iisip ka na sumubok ng bagong trabaho, ibang pagkakakitaan, ibang company na mas magbibigay sa'yo ng freedom, ng growth, ng opportunities. Okay? So, kung sa tingin mo hindi mo na-experience yan ngayon, you may be letting go of that career or that job to try new things. Or maaring ang dami ng responsibilities na binibigay sa'yo ng trabaho mo, ng career mo, pero hindi ka naman in-increase ng sweldo. Parang you feel like, teka, it's unfair. It's not worth it. Oo. So, maaring you are rethinking of that and letting go of that, yung trabaho na yan. Or pwedeng meron ka ring marirealize na, this is a new opportunity for me to grow. So, maaring dun ka lilipat. Yun yung susubukan mo. You have the 9 of Pentacles. So, this is financial stability, financial security, financial freedom. So, yun yung goal mo. Yun yung focus mo. Na magawa yung gusto mo and at the same time, kumikita ka. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng self-employment ang inyong magiging focus. Kasi you still want to have that freedom and at the same time, continue yung passion ninyo. No? Yes, you've been waiting for this opportunity. May mga taong nag-try na isabotage ka. Okay? So, maaring pagdating sa work, sa career, sa trabaho mo, may mga jealous people, may mga tao na pinagkatiwalaan mo sa trabaho, pero hindi pala sila kakampi, no? They are against you. Parang they are just waiting for you na magkamali. Tapos, hindi ka pala nila susuportahan sa panahon na merong challenge sa trabaho. So, I think yan yung mga marireveal. Kasi ang full moon is also about revelation. No? So, I think for some of you, you will realize kung sino talaga yung mga taong supportive sa'yo, yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, at kung sino yung mga hindi maganda yung intentions towards you, lalo na sa trabaho. You have the Hierophant. So, you are learning more. You are gaining more wisdom sa iyong career. And I think yan yung gagamitin mo para mas ma-develop or ma-transform, ma-improve pa ang iyong career. Some of you talaga ang aim ninyo, ang goal ninyo is to still be creative, artistic, and productive sa trabaho na meron kayo. And at the same time, malaya, no? May freedom, walang restriction. Work through your feelings. Minsan, you become emotional. And although may mga pagkakataon na maganda na emotional ka, lalo na kung ang work mo, ang trabaho mo, ay nangangailangan ng so much emotions and feelings. But pag may mga pagkakataon na kailangan rin na maging matatag ka, that's the time na you need to have control on what you feel. Para at least hindi ka take advantage ng ibang tao. You are assessing your situation. Kung masaya ka pa ba sa trabaho na yan, sa career mo na yan. You're going to be bold and make the first move. So, ayan, maglalakas loob ka na to try new things, no? Example, kung meron kang talagang kailangang i-confront sa trabaho, sa career mo, or even your boss, no? To tell them na there's something wrong or may kailangang ayusin. Kasi minsan, kinikim-kim lang natin yan, sama ng loob natin sa boss natin na itong boss ko na to, may favoritism and all. Pero I feel like some of you, meron kayong heart-to-heart talk with your bosses, no, yung mga boss mo or mga taong involved sa workplace mo para at least mailabas mo kung ano yung kailangan mong mailabas na emotions, and at the same time kung magagawa ng paraan para maayos. Pero kung hindi maayos, then for you think it's time to let go of that and find a career or a job na magiging in alignment of your soul's purpose and of your talents and your skills. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!